Welcome to the Tesco Specialty Vehicle Wheelchair Lift Module. In this module, we will cover operations, emergency operations, and troubleshooting. This guide is not intended to take place of the original equipment manufacturer's owner's manual. For complete information on operations, safety, and maintenance, refer to the manufacturer manuals. Tesco will not be held liable for improper use or maintenance of the vehicle or its components. The system is comprised of two main components, the lift interlock and the wheelchair lift itself. The interlock is a safety device that won't allow lift operations until the vehicle is made safe. The interlock also will not allow you to take the vehicle out of park unless the wheelchair lift doors are closed and the emergency brake is released. To satisfy the interlock requirements, you must first have the vehicle's ignition turned on. The engine can be running or not running. The vehicle must be in park. The vehicle's parking brake must be set. The wheelchair interlock switch must be in the on position. The order in which you do each task doesn't matter, just as long as all tasks have been completed. Now that the interlock requirements have been met, let's talk about the wheelchair lift. The first thing to notice is when the lift doors are open, there is a strip light that will light up. This light will verify that the system recognizes that the door is open. If the light is not lit, that would be a clue that there could be a problem. The next step is to verify that the lift is turned on. The switch is located on the pump assembly near the floor. Once the interlock requirements are met, the doors are open, and the switch is in the on position, the platform lights will illuminate. If the lights are not on, retrace all the previous steps. The control pendant is located on the lift arm closest to the lift pump. In an upward motion, you can remove the pendant from the arm. Make sure to keep the wire out of the way of moving parts. As a good practice, pull the wire under the door to keep the wire from getting pinched between the door and the lift. Press and hold the unfold button. The lift will unfold from the vehicle and stop at floor level. Then press and hold the down button. The lift will then stop once it reaches the ground. Press and hold the up button until the lift stops at floor height. Pressing the fold button will return the lift into the vehicle. Make sure the lift is stowed away completely. The lift has 4 built-in safety systems. The first one is the threshold alarm. If the lift is below floor height and has weight on the threshold plate, an alarm will sound and the red light will flash. The outer barrier will stop the lift operation if it is not allowed to fully close after an inch off the ground. Remove the obstruction and try again. The inner barrier will also halt lift operation. The inner barrier will stop operation at any height. Remove the obstruction to continue use. The lift will not fold if weight is present on the platform. Remove any and all objects before attempting to fold the lift. As a side note, during snowy conditions, you may need to clean the snow off the platform or help the platform fold. In case of an emergency or power outage, you can manually operate the lift. It is not recommended to lift passengers into the vehicle. You should only use the lift to remove passengers or to stow the lift away and seek professional service. Locate the pump handle on the outside of the pump housing. Remove the handle from the clips. Insert jack handle into the release valve. Rotate the handle counterclockwise to open the valve and lower the lift. Rotate the handle clockwise to close the valve and stop the lift. Insert the handle into the pump jack. Pump the handle until you reach your desired height or until the lift is fully stowed. Remember to close the doors when finished. The interlock will not allow you to put the vehicle in gear with the doors open. The lift is equipped with lift-tight latches. These latches will hold the lift from unfolding. The lift may lose pressure over time as it is in the stored position, causing the lift to come in contact with the door. These latches hold the lift in the stored position to keep the lift from damaging the door, or from an injury from the lift hitting someone as they open the door. If the lift will not unfold due to the latches, press the fold button until the lift is full stowed. Then try to unfold it again. Sometimes the lift may get stuck because one lift-tight latch catches and one does not. This can cause the safety system to shut the lift down. The two methods to correct this problem are a simple shake of the lift while pressing the fold button, or using the manual handle to fully stow the lift. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact the Tesco Specialty Vehicle Help Desk with any questions you have.